Hello dearies! Candy special today. Woo! Alright, I've got a variety of candy that I've collected right here. So, let's get started. First is Twizzlers with cherry, green apple, and lemonade flavors. Look at that, it's all like Christmas colory-ish. Alright, let's get into this here. Let me open you. There we go. Ooh, smells like Lifesavers. Like the gummies. I like Lifesaver gummies. Not a big fan of licorice though. It's too chewy. And it looks like this is not, won't be any exception. Oh man, they're stuck together. Gimme! Thank you. Alright, so we can pull and peel. So let's try green apple first. If I can. Gimme. Gimme. Fine. Fail attempt to peel off green apple. Let's try it. Not really green apple-y. Not even like a hint. Just tastes, I don't know, like licorice. I could be biased and I don't like licorice. Next we'll try cherry. A little bit more flavor to that, but not quite as much. Artificial cherry flavor, there it is. But very, very, very weak. Next, lemonade. Though it just looks like a spaghetti noodle to me. Just kind of like the weakest artificial lemon flavor you can think of. Nope. Next, Juicy Drop Gummies! Woo! I wanted to try these for a while. Just like the Juicy Drop stuff in general, but I haven't been able to. This is Blue Rebel, artificially flavored. Gasp, because I was hoping it'd be real flavor. Alright. It's a good thing this isn't like chocolate flavor. Otherwise, that will look like a butt. Okay, let's get this little pen thing out then. Little squeezy thing. Now, how is one supposed to work this thing? I have no idea how I'm supposed to do this. I should have read this first. Does it say on here? Oh my god, tiny writing. Oh. Well, okay then. Oh, how neat. It's like a thing. I should shake this up first. Okay. Not sure if I'm supposed to shake it, but shook it anyway. Alright, let's do 3 drops. Let's do 3. Okay. 1. Oh, it's gel. Okay, let's fill it up then. Alright, it's filled with gel. It looks green on camera, but it's blue. Woo! Sour, but good. The gummy isn't stale at all. It's actually chewy. Alright, let's do what they do in the commercials. Just go straight and that's a sour blue. I don't know how else I'd describe it other than sour blue. Now this is funny. It's soda candy. And I'll show you what's funny about it as soon as I can get something to open this with. Oh, my finger did it. Alright. So, Give me the last two. This is supposed to be grape. It's called Splash with a new enhanced flavor. As opposed to what? New, old, boring flavor? That's supposedly a ripoff of generic... Oh god, these are sticky. Yeah, why are they sticky? Ew. This is supposedly like grape Fanta. Coca-Cola! Come on, Coca-Cola. That's obvious. Ugh, sticky. Why? Crash. Obviously Crush. These are fizzy candy. And Sprite, but in their attempt to avoid any copyright, they clashed with the cell phone company. Alright. Ah, they're also sticky. Ugh, they're sticky and nasty. Ew. Alright, let's try grape first. How do we get... how are we supposed to get into here? Oh, it's got a little pull tab like a real soda can. Look, little pull tab. Okay. These are supposed to fizz or something. It's actually fizzy. Oh my god. It's like, oh, what? Like the powdered version of Pop Rocks. That one was good. That was grape. Now we'll try Coca-Cola. I don't really like Coca-Cola. I'm probably not gonna like this. No, I only want one. Okay. Right away. That looks like a little mouse pellet. Let's try it. Holy crap! Holy crap, that one's a lot fizzier. Tastes like flat Coca-Cola. No. Yeah. That was good, but it fizzed a lot. But gross, because I don't like anything cola. Okay, orange. Can I get into you? Let me get into you. Arguing with the casing and not winning. I won! Yay! Orange. Come on. Gimme. Give to me your orange bounty. Thank you. You see how small these things are? No. Ew, I don't know what that was, but that was an orange. Ew. Ugh. Alright. And Sprint. Lemon lime, which we all know is Sprite. Stop trying to be like a cell phone company and actually be like, lemon lime soda! They look like cream soda tablets or something. See that? Just tastes like flat 7-Up. Okay, soda candy fizzed. I'd say out of all of them, none of them were good. What do you expect from generic candy? Alright. Okay. Counted all the candy. Make sure I'm keeping track. Next is Japanese watermelon gummy candy. Got this in the Asian food aisle of Fry's. Let's see what you smell like. Oh, Jesus. I've smelled that before. Oh, what? Oh, I can't remember. It's gonna bother me for so long. I can't remember it. Oh, wow. These are so incredibly soft. Ew, what's all over them? Powder crap? Ew. Well, this is what they look like. Medicine. Tastes like bubblegum. It smells like bubblegum flavored medicine. Thank God it doesn't taste like it. It's not that artificial watermelon. Let's see, what did they put in here? Glucose syrup. Okay, so sugar. sorbitol, gelatin, natural and artificial flavor, pectin, citric acid, malic acid, sodium citrate, starch powder, potato, carnauba wax, emulsifiers, polyglycerol esters of fatty acids, enzyme modified lecithin, soybeans F, D, and C, red, number 40. That tells me nothing. Okay. Well, I'm saving the worst for last. We've got from El Super Lyon, chili lemon mango things. Those watermelon gummies are pretty good. I like them. Okay, let's see if I can't get in here. I'm gonna regret this deeply. There we go. Whew. Ew. Smells like oh, what is that Mexican powder stuff? It's gonna limon. Smells like limon. That powder stuff. Oh, these are hard. I thought they'd be soft, but they're hard. Look at that, they're hard. And I like mango. Sort of a fan of chili, but let's try this. Not as bad as I thought it'd be. Sour. It tastes just like limon too. Alright. Next, fresco, I'm not even going to pronounce that. It's whatever that is. I can't pronounce that for my life. But it's lemon flavored salted plum. Does that look like a plum to you? No? Yeah, me either. Ew, it smells, rancid, Is this safe for eating? Oh, what's in it? Dried plums, purified water, iodized salt, citric acid, chili, artificial flavor, and spices. Yeah, I gotta love when they go as generic, like natural and artificial flavors for ingredients. They look like wrinkled prunes. Like, they've been sitting in water. Oh, they're so sticky. They're so sticky. Oh, God, no. No. Girl, that is bad. No. Ugh. Okay. So, these, I don't care for them, but my mom will like them. This was pretty damn good. These soda candies, no, they fizz, but they taste awful. These are good. I like them. These mango chili things, they're alright. No, God forbid these. No. Well, that was my 10th food review special on candy. Woo! So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm currently working on another Roller Coaster Tycoon video. Keep your eyes out for that because I love that game. However maniacal I may be. Anyway, thanks for watching. Comment foods I should try. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!